Alright folks, what do we have here? So, in Misadventures with Things, for some reason this picture frame didn't come with a hanger on the back. So I was like, okay, well I can hang a wire all the way across, but I don't like the dynamics of that. You got this long wire with a little force, which means you're amplifying your force in a vertical direction. Um, yeah, I could do a wire from all the way down here and up and have a little bit better force, but I was like, you know what? I really like super glue. So my first step was just to try super gluing bare metal to the cardboard. I didn't have high hopes for that, and it ended up peeling off pretty easily. Yeah, if you rough up the metal, you might be able to get some adhesion, but also just super gluing straight metal to things generally doesn't work that great. So I was like, all right, how do I fix this? Because I like this little device I have here. It actually, I made this little wire doodad. It can go left or right, so you can balance your picture frame if you need to. It's got a nice vertical force right there. Anyways, so I ended up using some cotton twine, and I wrapped it around 3 times and tied it in the back. And then I super glued that to the backing. And this feels really secure in there. Now, if it's not, I'm going to hang up on the wall over here. And, well, if it falls on my head, I'll let you know. That's all, folks. Misadventures with everything. This took like 10 minutes, so it wasn't a long project. Alright, let's get back to the workday.